So how to make a group on CoverStar? So quite simple. So you just need to go to the groups tab, and then just when you go to the groups, in the bottom you will see like the red button to create a group. So just tap on that. Then you can just upload logo for your group, give it a name, make it private or public, and then yeah, there you have it. So you can only create one group. So then you will be able to see your groups if you just go to your profile, and to the right you will see the members of that group. Then you can just invite your friends. You can just share a link to invite friends. You can leave group. You can change, edit it. You can make it public or private. Upload logo. And then if you invite 5 friends to your CoverStar group, you will earn a special badge. So that's what it is. But seems you can only create one group on CoverStar app, so that's just a limitation.